Hi guys, this is Luke Class. Thank you very much for joining me on today's video. Today's video, I'm going to talk about SEO in simple words. So what is SEO in simple words? I'm sure you've heard of the term before, so let's get into it. SEO stands for search engine optimization. I'm sure you already knew that. Wow, what is search engine optimization? Well, it's a practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search results. So we're going to talk about what's quantity, quality, and organic search results. Now you might be asking, why is it important to practice increasing the quality and quantity of traffic to your website? Well, first let's have a look at what is traffic. Traffic is the people that visit your website or land on your website pages. They are referred to as traffic, not the ones that you see in front of you. I'll make an example. If I click a specific website, my visit to that website or that page will be referred to as traffic. In other words, the moment I click or view a page, I'm recorded as traffic visiting that page or website. Now, why is it important that there's an increase in the quantity of traffic? Well, it's pretty simple and straightforward. If no one sees your website, then no one can view your services. Therefore, it's important that a large number of people get to see your services on a daily basis. If nobody sees your website, you can't reach your potential customers. So quantity is important, but also quality is important. If you're a dentist and everybody that visits your website is not looking for dentist services, this is poor traffic. If you're providing renovation services, then again, everyone that visits your website is not looking for renovation services. That is not quality traffic. So getting the correct people to your website is very important. The last term that I'm going to cover is what is organic search results? You might be asking. Now, these are listings on the search engine results page that appear because of factors such as the relevance of the search term and the valid search engine optimization efforts. Meaning, if let's say for example, I'm searching for SEO on Google, right? All the relevant information will show as listings and they will show according to the SEO efforts. Now, usually these listings on the search engine such as Google will appear underneath the Google ads and also the maps on that page. Now, those are your organic search results. They are the ones that are being highlighted right now in front of your screen. The ones above that with the AD are called your Google ads, which I will cover them in the next video that I will leave a link on the description below. Guys, thank you very much. That was today's video on SEO. If you did find the video educational, do let me know. Do share the video. Otherwise, I'll see you soon on another awesome digital marketing video. Cheers.